able to combine those data sources gives you a 360-degree picture that we wouldn't have otherwise. So it's definitely been a game changer. It's something I'm very passionate about.
So using Salesforce and Constant Contact, is QSource is now more profitable and stays ahead of the competition with this functionality
Absolutely.
and helping your teamwork with more healthcare facilities?
We are able to provide analytics that none of our competitors can. I mean, combining those two data sources into powerful dashboards and visualizations, we use Tableau for our visualizations, but being able to combine those data sources gives you a 360-degree picture that we wouldn't have otherwise. So it's definitely been a game changer. It's something I'm very passionate about. And the timing of this was serendipitous in that I had a team member that for whatever reason did not realize that the integration had occurred. Not exactly sure how that happened yesterday. That email and said, I'm still exporting lists and doing pivot tables and doing one-off research to try and figure out what I need to do when I go into these facilities. There has to be a better way. And it was so funny. So I'm like, well, there is, and we've already done it. You're just looking in the wrong spot. And
Wow.
so directed to the right landing page where we house all of this. And she wrote back and was like, oh my gosh, how have I not seen this? So yeah, it's definitely been a differentiator. And then when you look at the market that we're in, particularly on the government side, we compete. And part of that is submitting bids about our cost structure. And so having an integration between the two has enabled us to keep from a technology standpoint, our cost structure for the IT component of those bids that we have to do stays low, because the alternative that we were looking at is, do we either build ourselves internally a comprehensive system, or do we try and find a platform that has that? And frankly, there really is not one universal platform that offers exactly what we were looking for that was cost effective. The only real true kind of integrated system would be Salesforce with Pardot from the marketing component and bringing their analytics in, but their price structure really is not something that we could sustain and still be able to be competitive in our government bids.
Yeah.
And so having this solution that solves the problem is easy. It doesn't change the end user system. So that's the other thing that I would say is pretty big, is the people that were doing the work, they didn't have to do anything different in their workflows other than look at one landing page so they could see the data. When it came to entering their contact information, looking at their interventions, having their email blast go out, having their podcast analytics sit in a spot, their end-to-end workflows didn't change with this integration. It was just the back end that we had to fix and then direct them on the right place to go. And so all of those attributes are what really for us makes this a game changer. And it's something that our competitors have reached out and asked how we're doing.
If you like what you saw and you want to listen to the full episode, just click the link below and enjoy.